Hello, I'm Daddy, and today we are going to make a mom out of strawberries. We will cut these strawberries into shapes. So we cutted the pieces in half. Now, you have to cut the bottom so it could be flat. So if you don't cut the bottom, then it's just gonna, I don't want that. So I'm just gonna show you how to make it. You take this head, put it like that, and then this strawberry, just need to cut it need to cut it in half, boom. And then you put the arms like that. And now we put the legs. And boom, it's done. So you see here, and on this plate we will make a little sun here, like over here. Yeah, a little sun because to make it like the mom and the sun. And we're gonna put this like that. I'm gonna put all this on the plate like that. That. Oops. And that, and that. Oh, we just put it like that, so like they're holding hands. There you go, that's good. And that's the end of the video. Now this is the head, arms. Yep.